guys, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our channel Beauty Face with Sam. If you guys are new to my channel, so welcome. I am Sam and I'll make videos related to makeup and hairstyle. And today I will teach you loop waterfall braid. So let's start the video. But before we start the video, make sure do subscribe to my channel, like my video and click the bell icon. Okay, let's start. First we will comb well and take a layer from the ear side. See this? Then put your fingers on the layer and turn it. Now again I will show you how to do it. Put your finger up and move inward. See this? Hold your layer with your thumb. Now take a layer of upper side and we will turn this layer through the loop. Now complete the hairstyle, whole hairstyle in the same way. Now I am using hair accessories and then I will do hairspray to fix hairdo. This hairstyle is done. If you like my video then give thumbs up, do subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.